I've helped sales professionals amass over $153 million of sales volume, and I'm looking forward to talking with you about success that you can have in your business. During the workshop, we'll talk about the importance of having a plan. We'll talk about the key numbers that drive the income and the success of your business, and we'll also talk about how to use your plan to stay on track to make sure that you hit your goals. There are 3 things that you can do between now and when we get together. Number 1, come with an expectation. Number 2, come with an open mind. The mind works the best when it's open. And number 3, be prepared to be uncomfortable. 85% of successful people find success when they're uncomfortable or in pleasant situations. See you soon.
We're going to talk about branding. We're going to talk about choosing the right color. Who's your avatar? Who's your targeted audience? And what's your message? What are you saying? What are you sending out? What does it look like? Is it relatable? And is it relevant? This is Rich, Momentum Coaching. Look for us soon.